Here we have a question. In this question, we have to find the net force on charge Q1. So here, as we can see, three charges are given to us. One Q1 is positive, while the value of Q2 is negative, and the charge on body Q3 is positive. So here, first of all, let's understand some electrostatics. So here, like charges always repel each other, while unlike charges always attract each other. So let's suppose this is a negative charge and this is a positive charge. They will always attract each other, while like charges will always repel each other. So from here, as you can see, the value of force due to Q3 on Q1 would be in this direction, and the value of force due to Q2 on Q1 would be in this direction. This is the force of attraction and this is the force of repulsion. So let's consider this force as F2 and this force as F3. So here, in order to find the value of force, we can write the value of force due to electric field of Q2 at this point. That will be equal to electric field of Q2 into the charge Q1. So where the value of electric field can be written as K Q2 divided by R square. So from here we can find the value of force F as we multiply the electric field into Q1. So let's move forward. Here we are going to find the value of force F2 at this point on the charge Q1 in this direction. So this would be equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square, where R is the distance between these charges, which is 2 centimeter. So as we substitute these values, we can find the value of F2, that comes out to be 6.75 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton, but in this direction. Now let's find the value of force F3, which is also in this direction, because there is the force of repulsion between the charge Q3 and the charge Q1. So now let's move forward. As we can see, the value of Q1 is given to us, which is 1 nanocoulomb, while the value of Q3 is given to us, which is 5 nanocoulomb. Now this is at origin and this is at a distance of 2 centimeter from Q3 on positive x-axis. So from here, as we substitute the value in order to find the value of force, which is equal to K into Q1 Q3 divided by R13 square, which is the value of R13 is 2 centimeter. Now let's substitute the values and we can find the value of F3, that comes out to be 1.125 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. Now we know the value of F3, we know the value of F2. As we add them, we can find the resultant force which is acting at this point on charge Q1. So we can write F equal to F2 plus F3, which is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. Hence we have find the approximate force on the charge Q1, which is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. Thank you.